Could you tell me what's coming for Lunc and if Terra Classic's 30% massacre is called Dubai? In today's video, we will address these questions and additional news stories. Thank you for visiting the Coin Lady channel. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and use that thumbs up button. Therefore, classic horror is a must-read for anyone interested in the genre. Welcome to this lovely spot. Now, we'll begin with the traders who are prepared to purchase Lunc price dips. With Bitcoin's precipitous decline from its previous all-time high of over $73,000, the once bullish crypto market took a turn for the drab over the weekend. Terra Classic and other altcoins were unable to withstand the adverse sentiment, leading to substantial price corrections. For example, Lunc's price dropped 30% in a week, trading at $0.31 now. Many investors are counting their losses after Tuesday's drop-off from March highs above $0.25. But for others, this may be the perfect opportunity to scale into Terra Classic and boost their long-term returns. Following a 48% surge from its March peak, the price of Terra Classic has fallen precipitously, and major double-bottom support at $0.3012 is boasted by the token, which appears to be heavily discounted. Respecting this support from February was important for studying the impressive rally to $0.255. A double bottom pattern is typically a very durable support region. Now that the Relative Strength Index, RSI, is relaxing tension after hitting the oversold level, traders may want to consider buying the dip, as the breakout that follows is usually greater. This suggests that dollar cost averaging would be a good strategy to employ. If you're a more cautious investor, you might want to hold off on buying Terra Classic until the Relative Strength Index, RSI, rises over the determining trendline barrier. Another important milestone to keep an eye on is $14, which was the opening price the previous day at $0.30. Assuming that Lunc hasn't yet exhausted the downtrend, Terra Classic may still encounter hell to break loose before the real recovery begins, and the fear of missing out, FOMO, will likely kick in, sending the price crashing to $0.30 to dollars. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, is at 37. The daily range is at 37, and it's sliding toward the oversold area. There is some good news for Terra Classic based on its position above some Ichimoku cloud levels. The 200-day moving average, EMA, is assisting to increase Lunc price and restrict further losses. This indicator reveals important demand and supply zones that shape price movement. Assuming the price of Terra Classic remains above the Ichimoku cloud, there will be significant purchasing pressure. What this means is that you can purchase the dip if you want to wait for the price to break out above the yellow and red resistance levels. Let's not forget the SEC hearing and the Lunc price drop. The recent decline in Bitcoin's value, which has caused waves in the cryptocurrency industry, has dipped below the $70,000 barrier. Terra Classic is one of the impacted coins. It has fallen 32% and is now trading for a pitiful $13. Potential future upheavals may affect more than simply Lunc, as shown by this decline caused by opposition at a difficult selling point. However, with Terraform Labs preparing for a major legal showdown with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission scheduled for March 25, the larger crypto sector, including the Terra Luna Classic ecosystem, is facing uncertain times. With Quan probably not present, this hearing takes on added significance because Terraform Labs founder Du Chuan is caught up in extradition procedures in Montenegro. At this crossroads, his legal team may be challenged to reframe how regulators view Terra Luna Classic and its related projects. At this critical juncture, two major developments are converging on the terrorist ecosystem. First, there will soon be a judicial showdown between Terraform Labs and the SEC, with Du Chuan, whose legal troubles in Montenegro might make it impossible for him to attend, serving as the focus. Adding insult to injury, Quan is expected to be extradited to South Korea not long after March 23. On the same day as the SEC hearing, the Terra Classic network is set to undergo an upgrade that will incorporate IBC hooks, a decision that was unanimously made to strengthen integration of decentralized applications. At the same time, Terra Luna Classic is getting ready for its chain upgrade, adding extra complexity to the situation. Anticipation is rising as we pen an excellent news article. Terra has come a long way with this technological breakthrough that aims to deploy IBC hooks. while it continues to face legal challenges. Its goal is to improve the environment, and despite big obstacles, it might be the start of a new era for Terra Luna Classic. There has been no wavering in the resolve of the Terra Luna Classic team to revitalize and advance the project. Alright, let's dive into that conversation. Terra Classic price forecast for December 2024 by GPT. In May of 2022, Terra Classic set out on a journey to recuperate, notwithstanding the massive rally created by Bitcoin's recent exploits. The Terra blockchain, which gave birth to Terra 2.0, imploded. As of this writing, Lunc is trading at 0.3, indicating that Terra Classic is still trailing behind in the extremely competitive cryptocurrency market. According to CoinCodex, the price of euros has fallen by almost 5% in the past day, reaching $13. According to other statistics, the cryptocurrency asset has only seen a 5% gain over the past year, while 78% of the top 100 cryptocurrencies have seen a 78% increase. The crypto assets price prediction platform went on to say that the present price condition of Lunc shows it is trading below its 200-day SMA, which is a bearish sign for the token that is currently in trouble. Despite the disappointing market patterns mentioned earlier, there is still potential for a comeback for Terra Classic due to the impending Bitcoin halving event, which is expected to take place in 32 days. In its conservative market view, GPT predicted that the price of Lunc would range from $0.3 to $0.3 in a hypothetical scenario, according to the AI model. This is all predicated on the idea that the cryptocurrency market will see a small upswing before the end of 2020. Given the aforementioned price expectations, it is quite unlikely that Lunc will see substantial growth by December 2024. The chatbot estimated that the Lunc price would fall somewhere between $0.30 and $0.50, based on its present market value in a mild situation. ChatGPT backed up its pricing forecast by saying it's based on the idea that Lunc will keep getting more popular and that the cryptocurrency industry will develop moderately, providing that Lunc maintains his momentum and the market stays put. By December 2024, it might be in this pricing range. Lastly, according to ChatGPT's optimistic scenario, Terra Classic might reach levels between 0.3 and 0.20, or $1 and $5, respectively. The chatbot pointed out that this prediction is predicated on two things. First, that Lunc will see massive uptake and development. Second, that the market for cryptocurrencies would surge in value if Lunc gains traction. By December 2024, it might be in this pricing range. It will be clear how everything turns out by the end of 2024. At this point, all that Terra Classic fandom can do is wish for the best. The most recent forecast for the price of Terra Classic is what we will discuss now. For the year 2024, Luna Classic is on fire. Our best estimate puts the average cost of a Lunc at between $0.30 to $0.72. 20 per 24. Lunc coin has the potential to reach a maximum price of $5, or 0.30, by the end of 2024 if the current growth rate is sustained and the project receives support from the community. Looking at the market sentiment right now, Luna Classic seems like it could keep going up. We may have been wrong about the Terra Classic costs. The lowest price at which Lunc coin can be sold is around $0.58. 2024 if the market decides to invest in the project. Additional investment in Luna Classic in 2025 could be prompted by a downturn in the market. In the year 2025, Luna Classic can cost anywhere from $0 to $94 on average. If the market becomes positive, the market cap and value of Terra Classics could rise if the current growth trend continues with additional investment and adoption. As late as 2025, the highest price that Lunc coin might reach is approximately 11 zeros. In the event of a bear market this year, the price of Luna Classic might drop to as low as $6. On the other hand, a bullish event in 2025 could cause Terra Luna Classic to smash all its records and reach new heights. Luna Classic might still be there in 2030. By gaining the support of the community and adding listings on popular exchanges, the Lunc coin might reach its $1 goal this year. Considering our projected pricing, between 81 cents and 2030, Luna Classic may be purchased on average. In your opinion, are traders prepared to purchase Lunc price drops? Just so you know, I'm not trying to get you to buy cryptocurrencies or invest in anything with this video. The video ends there. As always, I'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and leave a comment with your opinions. Goodbye for now.